So students, in this video you will learn about functions of placenta. What is placenta? About placenta, I have already told you. Placenta is a physiological and mechanical connection between fetal and maternal tissues for nutrition, excretion and respiration. These are the main functions which are performed by placenta: nutrition, excretion and respiration. So students, developing fetus requires nutrient. Fetus develops inside the uterus. In this period, it obtains nutrients from the mother's body. The placenta helps in the nutrition of the embryo. The nutrients like amino acids, monosugars and vitamins pass from the maternal blood into fetal blood through placenta. It means through placenta, developing embryo obtains nutrient from the mother's body. Now, placenta also helps in respiration. Means embryo obtains oxygen from the maternal blood and carbon dioxide of the fetal blood diffused through placenta into the maternal blood. Placenta also helps in excretion. Waste product formed in the developing embryo. These passes through placenta into maternal blood. These are the three main functions performed by placenta. Placenta also act as an endocrine gland as it secretes hormones like estrogen, progesterone, these are the hormones secreted by placenta: estrogen, progesterone, HCG. It is the abbreviation of human chorionic gonadotropin. HCl. Its expansion is human placental lactogen and relaxin. Placenta acts as an endocrine gland and secretes these hormones. About functions of estrogen and progesterone, you have already studied in the previous videos. Now see about functions of human chorionic gonadotrophins. It maintains the corpus luteum. About corpus luteum, I have already told you. The corpus luteum is maintained by HCG, human chorionic gonadotrophin, that is a hormone secreted by placenta. The corpus luteum maintains pregnancy by continued secretion of progesterone hormone. Now see HPL. Its expansion is human placental lactogen. Lacto means milk. It helps to feed the growing baby inside the uterus. The human placental lactogen also breaks the fat from the mother to provide fuel to the growing baby. Now last one is relaxin. Relaxin is also secreted by placenta, which help in softening of pubic symphysis and childbirth during parturition. Pubic symphysis, that is the region between two pectoral pelvic girdle. Placenta also help antibodies against diphtheria, smallpox, measles pass from the maternal blood to fetal blood through placenta. But some of the germs like AIDS virus, syphilis bacteria and German virus of German measles, it can pass through the placenta from mother's body to the developing fetus. So this is all about different functions of placenta. The main functions are: placenta helps in excretion of the developing embryo, nutrition of the developing embryo, and gaseous exchange between maternal blood and developing embryo. That's all.